Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So as you can see, I have the access to my operational system, which you might not have if you want to perform this kind of operation. So I'm gonna show you two ways to enter the recovery mode. The one is through the operational system, aka Windows, and the second one is if you don't have access to it. But either way, you're gonna have to check your BitLocker recovery keys, because BitLocker likes to block Windows accounts that access recovery mode. So you gotta be prepared for that, and in order to be prepared, you're gonna have to open a website on which your recovery keys are stored, which I'm gonna show you in the first place. So let's begin with switching to another device on which I'm gonna show you how to access the BitLocker recovery keys. So you gotta open this web browser and search engine and search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. As you can see, when Google already suggests me the right address. Now copy this address and paste it into your path field. Then what you're gonna have to do is sign in to your Microsoft account. So enter either your email or phone number that is related to your Microsoft account that is set up on your HP, or was set up on your HP. So let me input my email address, then click next, then enter your password. Press next again, and then you might have to confirm your identity using your using the one-time code that is gonna be sent either to your email address or your phone number, and enter it in the following field. But if you don't have this option, then just never mind. Still, anyway, you will access this table that you can see in front of you. I'm sorry I cannot show you the entire table, but generally speaking, it has 5 columns that you can see right here, and the middle column is the thing that you're looking for. Now the first column is the device name, and if you know your device name, you can easily find the recovery key that matches it. And if you know when you set up your Microsoft account on this device, then you can check the key upload date. Unfortunately, they are not sorted, so you're gonna have to search for it in the middle of this table. And if you don't know, if you don't know neither of them, if you don't know your key upload date, know your device name that matches the recovery key, then don't worry. Just keep this website open. When you're entering the recovery mode, you're gonna find your matching recovery key by the key ID that you're gonna see on the BitLocker screen in case it locks your PC. And that's basically it. So just keep this website open. It might be helpful for you in the future, and basically in a moment. Okay, and now let's return to the laptop and let me show you the first way to enter the recovery mode. To do that, you have to press and hold right shift button of your laptop, hold it down, then open the start menu, go to power options and select restart, and keep holding the right shift button all the time until your device boots again. So let's wait. The laptop is shut down, and right now it will start again, and you will see the indicator that says please wait. And at this point you can release the right shift button and you will enter recovery mode. Now let's wait until the recovery mode is open. Okay, and right now you can navigate here using your touchpad. You can go into the troubleshooting options, advanced options, and select anything that you need. Now I'm gonna select turn off this PC in order to show you the second method, which is more likely will more likely trigger the BitLocker, and it will probably lock your PC, but all you have to do is enter the BitLocker recovery key, which you already know how to reach. Now let me select turn off your PC, and once the PC is turned off, all you will have to do is turn it on. Then while it's booting up, turn it off again, and then repeat this process 2 times. So turn on your laptop by pressing the power key once, wait until it starts booting up. Now when you see HP logo, hold down the power key for 5 seconds, wait a while, press the power button again, wait until HP logo appears on your screen again, and if it doesn't, don't worry, just turn off the PC. Let me start the PC once again by pressing the power key. I gotta tell you that turning on this PC is kinda tricky, surprisingly. Okay, now let me press the power button once again to turn it on, and hopefully this time it will trigger the automatic repair. Yes, it did. So as you can see right now, we are entering the recovery mode, though you don't see it yet. Now let's wait a while. And in a couple of minutes you will see this screen, and all you have to do is click advanced options and you will get into the recovery mode either way. So right now we can navigate here. Let me choose startup settings and try to run this PC by clicking restart, and let's see what happens next, whether my PC will boot normally. Okay, I see startup settings, that probably everything went well. The BitLocker didn't trigger, wasn't triggered for me, so let's run the Windows. And basically I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.